Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you how to make a fridge for your dolls. So first you need a bowl. Got this clear one. Some cardstock or regular paper. Strong, heavy duty tape. And some scissors. Yeah. So first of all, you need for the bowl, you'd want to, and you'd need a pencil. Or a pen, because I got a pen. So then you'd want to put it on your cardstock or paper. You want to trace it out. So I did that. Then you would want to cut it out. BRB. Cut it out. I know. Like that. Make sure it's like that. So you don't need to place on top like that. Take some tape. Then you want to take your tape, match that up on there, like you have it on top of there. Take your tape, make it like a little door hinge, so it can open and close. Like this. Okay. And then you'd want to take some of your tape, make it like some double-sided tape. Like that. Then kind of like pat it on there. So then it's stick closed, and then when you pull it, it can open. Then when you shut it, it can close again, and it can never open again, like that. And then, sorry. Okay. And then for the door handle, you'd want to kind of double thick it like this. That, and then like that, and then take little bits of tape, small bits. Then put on the end of it. Take a little handle like that to fit your finger through, or the doll's hand through. To go like that, and then pull it open like that, and then close it like that. Tap it down, close it. Open. You can put your finger through like this, through the little tape thing. Open it. Remember, it has double side to shut it again. Then, like that, kind of press. Take your finger with the doll hands out, and then for the little shelves inside. Take the little shelves. I think I will take that old paper from the tracing, put on another piece of paper, and then draw a line in the middle of it. Ow. So then I just draw little lines in the middle of it, like this. And then you just want to kind of it's all cut out. And then for the little shelf, like that, you want to make sure it's like kind of the right size. So I'm trying to make it fit inside of there. Nope, cut off a little bit more. Like that. So then you want to tape the little shelf inside of there. Like this. So you can set stuff on there. Like I can set the tape inside of there. That and it won't fall down. And then just kind of press on it. Take your finger out. And then it's a cute fridge. Okay, like that. And then you got your cute fridge. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.